going to teach you about animals, wild animals and domestic animals. Do you know wild animals? Wild animals are lives in jungle. They live in jungle. For example, lion, tiger, monkey, rhino. They all are wild animals. Okay? Wild animals. And the domestic animals are which we kept in farm. Okay? They are useful for us. Domestic animals are useful for us. We kept them in farms. Okay? Now we are going to do an activity about wild animals and domestic animals. Okay? Okay, come to me one by one. आ गया काम? Okay, pick any farm animal. Farm animal, जो farm में रहता है. Not wild, farm animal. Cow. Where is cow? Cow. Where is cow? Look there. Look there. Abhi look there. Yes. Keep it in farm. Farm. Where is farm? Farm. Yes. Very good. Go back. Now come. Now mommy come. Pick any wild animal. Wild. Which lives in jungle. Jungle में जो animal रहता है. Come on. Pick. Pick any wild animal. Wild. Yes. Keep it in basket. Basket. Wild animals keep it in basket. Very good. This is tiger is a wild animal. Okay. Okay.